morning. We are up, getting ready to go to Mops. Luna still has to wake up, but her breakfast is all ready. And this one is awake. I got up and she was asleep, and I was hoping she would sleep just for 10 more minutes so I could get ready, but that didn't happen. She was good though. She stayed in the bed until I was all ready. Huh. Yeah, you still did good. You still did good. Hey. Hey. Oh, you push it off on me. You push it off on me. Time to go wake up your sister. Luna baby. Good morning. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Good morning. How'd you sleep? Did you sleep good? Oh, big yawn. Ready to get up? Let's get up, sleepy girl. We're sitting here eating some breakfast, and I sat Peyton next to his sister. Huh? She keeps playing with Luna's baby doll. Like being a big girl and sitting next to your sister. Yeah. Made it home from Mop. Luna screamed when I first left her, but she seemed to do pretty well after. Today was a sad topic. The speaker is about miscarriages and stillbirths. And the speaker had a stillbirth, is at like 40 weeks, and she went in and she, there was no heartbeat. And so then she had to end up delivering the baby knowing that he wasn't alive, and that was just so sad. Everyone in that room got teary-eyed, including me. It was so sad. So now we're home. We saw Daddy walk out to go back to work. So we're gonna go ahead and get some lunch. Both, all of us, right? All of us. Look at her go! She's sitting up by herself. She still topples over like that. She's doing so good. Can you tell Luna's cranky? Hey, Luna. You need to tell me what you need. There's water in the cup. So instead of crying over spilled milk, she's crying over spilled water. Do you want more? Did you clean up your mess? Good job. Okay, you want some more? Here. Say more, please. There you go. You're welcome. Now you don't need to cry about it, okay? All better, you cleaned it up. And you got more.
Luna wanted everybody in her crib.
Even Daddy, but we're afraid we're gonna break the crib if it gets in here too. She's still being a little cranky. You still sleepy? Careful, don't kick her. Okay. You are a cranky little girl. What? You playing with Sister's monkey?
Not this one though. She's all smiles.
Ow. Getting your baby's dinner ready? to your sister?
Here.
Making sure it's still. Sister, want to try an orange? You want to taste it? Oh!
Wow. Hey. What are you doing?
We're making brownies. My first time making brownies from scratch, so let's see how it turns out, huh? Okay. Here is the after product of her eating all that chocolate. Was that good? Yeah, was that good? Are you going to be bouncing off the walls now? Look at her pants. Yes. All right, let's clean you off, huh?
Uh-oh. Luna wanted Peyton up there so that she could pretend to feed her like she does her baby. Be careful.
Headed to bed. I am so tired today. I will see you guys tomorrow.